I've got good news and I've got some not so good news. Promises, promises. So, remember that whole no excuses thing? Well, I have a pretty good excuse. I worked out Monday, I worked out Tuesday, I decided to rest on Wednesday, and on Thursday I throw out my lower back. So for the majority of the last 3 days, I've been on the couch. Now, to be fair, I could have worked out Wednesday and met my goal, but I didn't. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. The good news is I weighed in on Friday morning because I was afraid that the medicine would affect my weigh-in. And I weighed in at 315.6, which is exactly 15 pounds down total. So next week I'm going to start working out again slowly, and I'm going to focus on my diet so that hopefully this little incident doesn't set me back too far. Question of the week. Have you ever had an injury that set you back in your activity? And if so, what did you do to conquer it? Leave your answers in the comments below so that I and others who might be in the same situation can get some tips.